Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write and run a TypeScript program. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I am here in Visual Code. Okay, so first and foremost, let us check if we have a TypeScript installed in our computer by simply typing this command in the terminal window in Visual Code: TCS TSC TypeScript compiler dash version. When I press the enter key, it will give us the version of TypeScript that is installed in our computer. Right now, I'm using version 4.7.4. Okay, so let's start writing the code. No? Let's say we will create the classic Hello World program. Comment Hello World program in TypeScript. Control S, we will save our work. Okay, and then we select here TypeScript, letter T. For your information, TypeScript is a language created by Microsoft. It is an open source language. No? Hello World. This is the name of our program. Console.log. Sorry. Double quotation, opening close parentheses. Hello World in TypeScript. We close and then semicolon. We save. Now here in our terminal window, the first thing that we will do is to check for, we will compile no, our hello world.ts. No? So we issue this command tsc space. Okay, wait, I forgot to put L, hello world. Okay, back to our terminal window. Hello world.ts. The extension should be complete. Enter. It will create hello world.js that we will execute later. No? Okay, so we have already no JavaScript equivalent, no, the same hello world.js. To execute, we simply issue this command node the space hello world.js node. Okay, to execute our program, our script. No, okay, missing L. Sorry. JS. Okay, right now our program is running hello world in JavaScript. Okay, another example, we can make a simple addition of three numbers, no? Var A equals 1, comma B equals 2, comma C equals 3, semicolon. Var sum. Ay, sorry. Var sum equals A plus B plus C. Okay. Semicolon. Console log dot log equals double quotation, the total sum is plus sum. And then we close here, we save. Next in line, we clear the screen, issue a command tsc hello world dot ts and compile. Okay, let us run node hello world.js. Okay, the total sum is 6 because variable A we have 1, variable B we have 2, variable C we have 3. When we add together we have 6. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write and run a TypeScript program in Microsoft Windows operating system. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned and enjoy watching this tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.